Afternoon to all. Today our chapter is indefinite integration from the book ML Agarwal, that is exercise 9.6 from the book ML Agarwal for ISC class 12. Evaluate the following integrals. Question number 1, first part, it is given integration x into sine x square. By the method of substitution you have to solve it. Let x square is equal to u. Differentiating both sides, this will be 2x dx is equal to du. That means x dx will be du by 2. X and dx is equal to du by 2. That means this is sine u, replacing x square as u and x dx as du by 2. 1 by 2, take it outside. Integration sine u du. 1 by 2, what is the integration of sine u? That is minus cos u plus c. So what is the final answer? Final answer is minus 1 by 2 cos u, you have to replace as x square, minus 1 by 2 cos x square plus c. This is the answer of number 1, first part. Let us go the second part. Question given integration x cube cos x to the power 4 dx. This is the question given. Same process, let x to the power 4, you have to substitute as u, and this is derivative, differentiating both sides. 4x cube dx is equal to du. That means x cube dx will be du by 4. Now replace x cube and dx as du by 4 and x to the power 4 as u. Therefore, it will be converted cos u into du by 4. 1 by 4 you take outside. 1 by 4 taken outside. Integration cos u du. So, what is the integration of cos u? That is sin u and plus c. Integration constant. So, what is the final answer? Final answer is 1 by 4 sin. That we have taken u as x to the power 4, you have to replace u as x to the power 4. 1 by 4 sin x to the power 4 plus c. C is the integration constant, and this is the answer. Next, I am going to number 2 first part. Number 2 first part, just to see. Number 2 first part. Question number 2 first part, it is given sine of root x divided by root x is equal to dx into dx. That means sine root x, this root x you have to take as u. By substitution, root x as u, differentiating both sides. What is the derivative of root x? That is 1 by 2 root over x dx is equal to du. That means dx by root x is equal to 2 du. Therefore, it is converted sine root x means sine u, dx by root x as 2 du, 2 taken outside, integration sine u du. Now, what is the integration of sine u? That is minus cos u plus c. Finally, we are getting minus 2 cos u. U means what? Root x and plus c. This is the answer of number 2 first part. Next I am going to number 2 second part. See the second part question given integration cos square root x by root x dx. This root x, cos square root x, you have to take root x as u. Let root x as u. The derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root over x dx is equal to du. That means dx by root x is equal to 2 du. Now replace all. This will be converted to cos square u and dx by root x, that is 2 du. 2 taken outside, integration cos square u du. 2. What is the integration of cos square u? That is minus cot u plus c. Now final answer is minus 2 cot u. U means here root x plus c. This is the answer. Next question. Question number 3, first part question given sin x into sine of cos x dx. Let this cos x as u. So what is the derivative of cos x? That is minus sin x dx is equal to du. That means sin x dx is equal to minus du. Now this sin x dx will convert it to minus du, and this will be sin u minus du. Next, see, take it minus sin outside, integration sin u du. So what is the integration of sin u? That is minus cos u, and plus c, right? Minus minus plus, answer is coming cos. U means here cos x, means cos of cos x plus c. This is the answer of number 3, first part. Next I am going to second part. Just to see number 3, second part question given like this. Integration x cube sec square x to the power 4 plus 3 whole dx. Which one you have to take a substitute? X to the power 4 plus 3 as u. Let x to the power 4 plus 3 is equal to u. So what is the derivative of x to the power 4? This will be 4x cube, this will be 0. 4x cube dx as equal to du. Therefore x cube dx will be x cube dx is equal to du by 4. Now replace x cube into dx is du by 4, and sec square u means x to the power 4 plus 3, and this is du by 4. 1 by 4 you take outside, 1 by 4 taken outside, integration sec square u du. What is the integration of sec square u? That is tan u, because derivative of tan is sec square integration is tan u plus c. Final answer is 1 by 4 tan, what is u? That is x to the power 4 plus 3, and plus c is the integration constant. This is the answer. Let us go number 4, first part. Question number 4, first part, it is question given like this. X into cot square x square dx. This x square you have to take as u. Let x square equal to u. The derivative of x square is 2x dx is equal to du. That means x dx is equal to du by 2. You have to replace x and dx as du by 2. Therefore this will be converted to cot square u into du by 2. 1 by 2 take it outside. There is no formula for integration of cot square. You have to write cot square u means cosec square u minus 1. Trigonometrical formula you have to apply, because there is no formula for integration of cot square. You have to replace cot square as cosec square u minus 1. Now tell me, what is the integration of cosec square u? That is minus cot u. And what is the integration of 1 dx? That is only x, and you have to write c as integration constant. So this is du, not dx. All are converted to du. Now minus sign you take it outside, that is minus 1 by 2 cot, what is u? That is x square, cot x square plus x. I have taken outside, and this is the answer. Minus 1 by 2 cot x square plus x plus c is the answer. Today I have done up to 4 first part. Today I have completed few questions of indefinite integration from the book ML Overall exercise 9.6 next day to motion. Thank you for today class.